Hi all, welcome to another daily Leetcode challenge. Hopefully this month's marathon of Leetcode challenges is better than previous. I'm on day 2 and the question is 1291, sequential digits. Let's get into it. An integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit. Return sorted list of all the integers from range of low to high, inclusive, that have sequential digits. Okay, so sequential digits are numbers where all the digits appear in order and are max different or just different by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. The example here then is that we have a low and a high, and the sequential digits between the low and the high are 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5 wouldn't work because it's bigger than high. Anything smaller than 1, 2, 3 also wouldn't work because it's lower than low. The example 2 here is a more vast example of a bigger range. So in this case we have 1,000 and 13,000. And these are the numbers that go into it. Okay. What's one approach of doing this? I could write a method that, given a certain number, like 1, 2, 3, returns me a number that would essentially shift its digits by 1 to the right, meaning that the 1 will become a 2, the 2 will become a 3, the 3 will become a 4. That is one way of doing it, which is possibly the correct solution. However, let's see, in this case, this is what kind of throws me off. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the rest of these seem to follow the approach that I just said, right? Shift each digit to the right once until you hit that limit. However, there's this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would, by my logic, would mean that I start once from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have to start again from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is more complex. I wonder the following. What if I just iterate through all the possible lows and highs? Okay, so let's have the seed here. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a seed that I'm going to be using. Oops. This is something I'm going to be using for building my numbers, right? I want to run through all possible numbers between low and high, and yeah, let's have this return ret sort for I in range len seed, for j in range I plus 1. This is going to be my end, and len seed num is equal to seed I j if low is greater than num is greater than, can I say greater or equal to? Probably yes. Inclusive, yes. High, then ret append num. Would this work? I'm just concerned that, no, it would not work. Concerned, I guess rightfully so, that, no, unrightfully so, I'm concerned that I have reached a time limit exceeded if I iterate through all of these values, but that might not be a real worry. What I'm more now worried about is how come seed and a substring of that seed can't be converted to, I mean, I guess this is a possibility. Return ret could be the issue. Six, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Okay, this should work. And I guess all the substrings aren't that significant, so it's not a big of a deal. Oh, look, similar solutions. Guys, we solved it. So this is a valid solution, I guess. There's space to there's probably space to optimize because I don't have to start from every possible I. And I potentially have to look at numbers of a specific length. However, in this case, because iterating through all of the different substrings of a constant set of numbers is constant, this is essentially solved in O of 1, constant time. O besides the sort, so it does kind of depend on the low and high. Either way, this is the correct solution. Use it if you want. On that note, please like and subscribe. This keeps me going, and stick around for tomorrow's video, I guess. Thanks for watching. Bye.